Answer it, Jimmy. Slide it. Here, slide it.
Oh.
You did it this morning. Slide it like the iPad.
Can you answer the phone? You have to slide it. Turn it on.
Press answer on that one. Just press answer. He doesn't know that one.
Oh.
Alright, it says answer once the phone's on.
Jimmy, who's the best?
Boss.
Oh, hold on. Okay. All right, stand up. Who's the boss?
Boss.
No, Mommy's the boss.
No,
Do it again. You're silly. Jimmy Comico. Jimmy, what did Zoe make you?
From Zoe? Wow.
Is that from your friend
She actually
Zoe?
draw that?
Yeah, she did.
It's pretty good. Actually.
Zoe, who is that? Jimmy, who is that?
Sally.
No, who's the picture of?
Elmo.
Elmo, yay! What do you say to Zoe? What can you say? Gracias?
Gracias.
Gracias?
Yes.
Gracias.
She made that for you.
Thank you.
Sally.
Zoe made that for you. Say thank you.
No.
Hey, Jimmy, should we put it on the refrigerator?
Put it on the refrigerator.
Should we put it under a magnet?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there a magnet we can use?
Yeah.
Right here. Why did you wrinkle it all up? Look at that. Cool, huh? Says Jimmy right there.
This is to Jimmy from Zoe.
Sally.
Momo.
Can you blow Zoe kisses?
Huh?
Can you blow Zoe kisses? To the camera? Can you blow Zoe kisses?
Aw.
Yeah. Hi, son. Jimmy,
Yeah.
tienes una sorpresa.
Oh, yeah.
A sorpresa para Jimmy. This is de James.
Oh, yeah.
¿Qué es? Gracias. ¿Qué es? ¿Qué es? ¿Qué es? Jimmy, ¿qué es? Es un libro. Oh.
No, that's
¿Qué dices, Jimmy? Say gracias. You gonna wrap it back up? Okay, unwrap it. Unwrap it. Open it up. Open it up. It's a libro. It says La cama. ¿Qué hay debajo de la cama? Can you say gracias a James? Say gracias. Jimmy. Saltas.
Whoa, almost fell, didn't you?
yes.
¡Wow! Otra vez. Más.
Land on your feet. Land on your feet.
Wow. Hi. No, I'm not going to play hide and more seek anymore. No, we're going to watch Stella play with her toy. Okay. Stella, get your toy. Where's your treat, Stella? Stella, get your treat. Jimmy, show Stella where her treat is. Show her that it's in there. Shake it for her.
Oh, bone.
Yeah, there's a treat inside there for Stella.
Get it, Stella. Get it. Open it up. Bite it.
Get the bone out.
Stella, what you got, Stella? Grab it out of there, Jimmy. Gracias. Stella, get it. Stella. Stella, come. Come. Okay, here we are. A las escaleras. Okay, time to get out and take a bath.